All right, so I'm about to get in the shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, and I have an event to go to, so here goes nothing. I rushed out of the house today, so I didn't even get to do my hair. I have a bunch of gel caked up on my hair. I'm literally gonna do it just like this, but with a fresh scalp. All right, so I'm getting ready to get in the shower, detangle my hair, and then do it just like this. Put some moisturizer on before I forget. I need my face to be moisturized. I'm kind of sweating, and maybe I'm not sweating, maybe it's just the water dripping from my hair. And I got some pattern Palo Santo. So I got this at an event. I'm just gonna put some on the ends of my hair. All over. I have a lot of hair, so I use a lot of leave-in. Okay, even with it cut shorter, I still use a ton. All right, just gonna try to stay on this mark. I'm gonna put a little bit at the top. Inside. All right. Now I'm gonna detangle a little bit with my Swissco brush. I'm not detangling fully. I'm just shaping it down. I'll do a deep detangle tomorrow after I do my hike, because I want to do a deep condition as well. It's not terribly tangled right now.
And I know it sounds crunchy or, you know, harsh.
I'm rushing because I have somewhere to go and I still got to do my makeup and get dressed, so.
But I promise I am not being rough with my hair.
It's too close to the center for me. I want to bring it over just a little bit more. Get me to start playing around, making noise, as my grandma used to say. All right, so I'm just brushing the top back. I'm gonna wear a low bun, so I got a bunch of hair, y'all. Just some of this is from the last time I detangled. I just did clean the brush. Y'all want the real, don't you? This is the real. I'm gonna wet this side because it's a little fruity. Not me.
So this is what my hair looks like when it doesn't have that much product.
If you can see, this part is detangled. It's just not a lot of product on it. Hopefully you can see that. I hope it's picking up.
If I weren't rushing, I'd put more stuff on it, but I had to go. Like my curls aren't even curling like I like them to.
I've been using Eco Style for years. I like the aloe one personally. The aloe one is my favorite. I sopped up a lot, and I'm just gonna lay it on my sides.
I don't normally do that.
Mold. Because my hair is wet, I don't need to do layer by layer, and I don't really usually do that anyway, unless I got time. And today, baby, I do not have time. Oh, my brush. My brush is in my backpack. So you see how smooth it is because it's still wet, and it should dry down that way.
I like to use this man brush. It's good for like fine hair. My hair is pretty fine. I just have a lot of hair. That's just a lot of hair. It's not thick at all. And this is like a headband that I like to bend in half or fold in half into a ponytail holder. Or maybe it is a ponytail holder, but now they're making thicker ones, and I appreciate it because us big-haired girlies need it. I don't know how to do edges, okay? So don't at me. I don't use edge control because it gives me dandruff. I don't like all of that. When other people do it, fine, but I'm just going to finger a little wave in the front and call it a day. And so my bun just got to the point where I can like pretend to have a bun. And on the video, I only show you that I'm putting in one hairpin. I really put in like 50 because my hair was not, it was being real extra. But this is the finished product. It's not perfect. I do not strive for perfection, especially when I do my hair, because I know me.
Let me get ready because I gotta go.